So how about your performance? How do you feel like that the training has impacted your team's performance compared to maybe some of your competitors?
Well, when I started in 2018, we were coming off of a very difficult year, and I was exposed to the FPG approach to training with our team, and it was new to me. I mean, I've been involved in other sales training in other areas of life, but I think the one thing that I realized is this gave us a proven process, that was geared towards our industry. And what it did was it created alignment so that all the team was, basically, I guess, preaching from the same songbook. And we all really were clear on how we could, you know, you know, be successful in a very difficult market by utilizing this process. And what we ended up doing is, along with this process and other things that we did as a company, we basically took off in terms of our sales. And we had a fantastic 2019. We doubled our market share, which is unheard of in this industry in a tough market. We were 40% better in terms of volume relative to the previous year, and we were 20% over budget. And I really believe that this program was a key attribute to our success in terms of how we delivered business in 2019. So to be honest with you, it's worked well for us.